Magja-judge po tayo. Okay, so this is called the daddy and mommy game, to get to know them well as parents. So, first question, who cried first when they first found out about the pregnancy? Huwag mo sasabihin. Okay, nice. So, ano sila? It's a good start, right?
Wow.
Tama yung sagot nila. Ay, hindi naman tama. I mean, they both agreed sa sagot nila. Okay? Question number 2. Who told the family about the baby first?
Leon!
Sige, taas nyo lang. Oh, wow! They are in unison. Sino una niyo sinabihan? Na family?
Ay, si
Follow-up
Ate Lee.
question lang yun, si Sister Lee. Amen. Alright, question number 3. Who wants more kids?
Ay,
Ha? Ano na kaya? Okay, number 4. Who is most nervous about becoming a parent? A parent? Oh! Nagtuturuan sila.
Patay.
Okay, next. Who is most prepared to become a parent? Who's most prepared? Sino sigurado? Oh! Bumigay. Gusto niya siya eh. Okay. Who is enjoying the pregnancy more? Oh, talaga. Nice.
Wala pong mali.
Who is more nervous about delivery or labor? Ikaw? Siyempre naman, ikaw mga. Okay. Who will ask for pain medication during labor first? Si Andre daw. Okay, next question. Who will change baby's first diaper? Unahan sila.
Gusto rin isa.
Gusto ni mami siya, gusto ni daddy siya.
Okay.
That's good. Who will gag first when changing a poopy diaper? Correct ka dyan. Okay. Who is more likely to put the diaper on backwards? Okay. Next. Who will baby resemble more? Sino ka mukha? Share!
Nakita na yung picture.
Nakita na sa 3D, ano? Next question. Who will take more photos of the baby? Siyempre si Mami. Okay. Who will do more midnight feedings? Okay talaga lang, Andre. Who will be better at singing lullabies? Pareho sila. Okay. Ito, next question. Who will baby say mama or dada first? Oh, mama. Good. Who will be stricter with baby? Oh. Turuan. Stricter daw si ate. Okay, who will be the most patient parent? Ayaw patalo. O, ito naman. Sige nga. Who will spoil baby the most? Si mami talaga. Last question. Who is most likely to sleep through baby's cry? Both daw. Ayan si baby. Amen. Thank you guys. Thank you.